Hello and welcome back. I'm Teacher Neo with English Teacher Neo, and I have my niece Dallas with me again. We are going to do a fun video. This is going to be an English conversation again, but we're going to see what's inside her purse. We showed you her purse the other day during our conversation in the coffee shop, but this is what it looks like. So
I'm going to pull it out of the frame because I have a lot of things in here.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. So tell us what you have in there real quick.
I don't want to dump it. I have my sunglasses, my keys, my wallet, one thing of perfume.
And where's the lid?
I don't know. I have no idea. Face lotion, a fan, a pen, some hair serum,
Wow.
a nail file, a picture of my niece that I'm not going to show, the box plug into a charger, no charger, some floss,
All right.
some breath mints, like never ending, more face lotion, so that's 2 face lotions, another perfume, so two perfumes. This is a charger to that fan, some nose rings, hand sanitizer, 2 different lip products. One's lip gloss, the other one is chapstick, Aquaphor. Excedrin, migraine pain relief medication. Nature Valley sweet and salty, and Nature Valley crunchy.
Have a snack.
Some nail clippers. I didn't know these were in here. Mascara and an eyelash curler. A bracelet. Hydrocortisone cream from when I had hives 5 months ago. I'm still going. My third lip product. Some sticky patches for your back for pain relief. More pens.
You gotta have pens.
Gotta have pens. More stickers. There's some stickers for lab week. And this is the color and material that I have to have for my friend's wedding in September. I'm the maid of honor, so I've got to find a dress that matches this.
Nice.
And that's it. Those are all of the things that I have in my purse.
Very good, very good.
All the time.
So what would you say is the most random thing in your purse right now?
Probably. I'm going to say the nail clippers because I didn't even know they were in here.
Nice.
I don't know where they came from.
Very nice. Okay. And what's one thing in your purse you could never leave home without?
My chapstick, my Aquaphor, or my face lotion because my face gets very dry throughout the day.
Okay. All right. And which item in your purse tells the most about your personality?
The nose rings.
All right. And what's the oldest thing in your purse?
The oldest, probably this hydrocortisone cream. I'm pretty sure it's expired.
That's funny.
I don't remember buying this. So probably that, I think. Or this bracelet. I've had this bracelet for a couple of years.
Okay. All right. Okay, so have you ever lost your purse or left it somewhere by accident?
I forget it at home a lot. So instead of grabbing it, I'll just leave it here and be without a purse for the day.
Yeah.
Which is bad because my ID is in my wallet.
Yeah. So what about out in public though?
I don't think so. I'm pretty attached to my purse when I'm in public spaces.
Yeah. I have my bag with my wallet and stuff in it, and there's been probably about 2 or 3 times that I have forgotten my bag in a restaurant when we would leave. And I'm like, well, to be down the road, I'm like, where's my bag?
Where's my purse?
So, yeah. So there's that. What's something in your purse that people would be surprised to find?
Probably nothing. I think everybody pretty well knows that I have everything in my purse. Well, maybe this fan. This fan's pretty new.
Yeah.
I've only had it for like a couple weeks, maybe. Whenever we had lab week.
Yeah.
My coworker got it and she gave it to me.
Nice.
So probably that.
Okay. All right. Very good. And is your purse usually organized or chaotic?
Chaotic. I'll try to organize it, and within like a day, it's
just a mess again.
It's a hot mess in there.
All right. Very good. And what item in your purse do you use the most every day?
Any of these 3 things right here. So the perfume I use every day, the hair serum I use every day, and the face lotion. Face lotion I use multiple times a day.
Okay. So the face lotion then.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right. And then what's something in your purse you keep just in case?
Probably my migraine stuff. I keep it just in case I have a migraine. Mm-hmm. Usually happens at work.
Oh, well.
Usually get a headache at work.
Yeah.
Not so much at home, but.
Yeah. Okay. So if your purse could talk, what would it complain about?
It would probably want me to clean it. I had to take it out. There's a big stain in here from, I had, what's it called? Those like liquid Mio things, like flavoring for your water. Mm-hmm. I apparently didn't clean or close it all the way, and went to get something in my purse or dump it out to find something, and there's a big old stain in there from where it leaked.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I don't even know where I put it to. It's probably leaking somewhere.
That's funny. What's one item in your purse with a funny story behind it?
A funny story?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I don't know how funny this is, but one time I was in a friend's car. I was curling my eyelashes and she hit a bump and I almost ripped all my eyelashes out.
Ouch.
It did not feel good. I put it right back in my purse afterwards. I was like, I'm done. They don't need to be curled. They can just poke right out.
Oh, wow. It's funny. Okay. And then what's the weirdest receipt or paper you still have in your purse?
I don't think I have anything. Let me see if I have anything in my wallet. I wouldn't say weird, but I have a Worlds of Fun pass and a Walmart gift card that are no longer valid. There's nothing on the Walmart gift card, and this Worlds of Fun pass is from like 2018. There's no purpose for it being in my thing.
Yeah.
I think that's about it.
Okay.
I have a lot of
so
things in
expired
my-
cards.
Yeah. Expired driver's license.
Yeah.
Or old driver's license before I turned 21.
Yeah.
Still in there.
exactly.
Don't need it.
So, what's something you carry that you almost never use?
That I never use.
Mm-hmm.
Currently probably the hydrocortisone cream. I haven't used it in months.
Okay.
It's just in case. What if I break out in hives?
Yeah. Never know. If someone looked through your purse for 10 seconds, what would they assume about you?
That I do not have my life together. That I am a messy person because my purse is a mess.
So, okay, what is your favorite lip gloss, perfume, gum, or snack in your purse right now?
My favorite, Aquaphor.
And that's lip gloss, right?
Yes. This is my favorite perfume. It's from Victoria's Secret.
It's a cute bottle.
It is so cute. What was the other things?
Gum or snack?
I have my icebreaker mints. I ran out of gum. I don't remember what kind it is.
Yeah. So, icebreaker mints. Okay.
Because I should have gotten more gum when we were at Walmart.
Yeah.
Shame on me.
So, what's something your mom would probably say about your purse?
Probably reflects who I am as a person. It's a mess, but I have everything anybody could need.
It's true. Yeah. If someone says, I need this, and you
You're
can
like,
go,
I have it.
Yep. All right. If you had to survive for a whole day using only what's in your purse, how would it go?
I think okay. I mean, I have food in there, and hand sanitizer, and mints, and floss. I think I would be okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And my wallet.
Yeah. There you go.
My cards.
Yeah. Your expired cards?
My expired cards.
Yeah. I mean, you could use them for something.
Yeah.
If you need to cut something that's easy to cut.
Yeah. Just, I think it worked pretty well.
Yeah, definitely. So what's one thing you always mean to clean out, but you never do?
Clean up. Probably the pockets in here.
Mm.
I've got some like gum trash in the pockets in here that it doesn't need to be in there. Need to clean it out. Taking up valuable space.
Yeah, there you go. If your purse had a most valuable item, what would it be?
Probably the picture of my nieces.
Yeah.
I love my babies.
Yeah, sweet. And what's one thing you wish you had brought today but forgot?
I need to put my deodorant in here.
Oh, well, that's something else you do.
Yeah. I just got some, so
yeah,
I gotta put that in here too.
There you go. And what's an item in your purse that has sentimental value?
Oh, I guess my picture of my nieces.
Yeah.
Most valuable in my heart.
That makes sense. And what's your emergency item that saves you all the time?
Probably my lotion or my chapstick. Because my face gets very dry because of some of the cream that I have to use on my face.
Yeah. Nice. What's something every girl should keep in her purse?
Lip gloss.
Okay. And which item in your purse best matches your current mood?
My current mood? Probably my back patches. My back hurts.
I understand.
Let me put those on after this.
And if you could only keep 3 things from your purse, what would you choose?
My lip gloss, my perfume, and my face lotion. Either one of these.
Yeah.
I'd have them on hand all the time.
Good. What do you feel like would be the most embarrassing thing in your purse if someone looked through your purse?
Probably the floss.
The floss?
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
Because I feel like that's when somebody does look through my purse, that is their biggest question. Why do you have floss in here? I used to have braces, okay? And I would have to floss after every time I ate. So I used to have a toothbrush in here too, and toothpaste.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But I took those out, but I forgot the floss. But people always question, why do you have floss in here? What are you doing with floss?
That's funny. I keep floss in my bag.
Like, I like clean teeth. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. So you have a lot of stuff in your purse.
I do.
So
I could probably fit more in there too.
I think you probably could.
It's a big bag.
It is. You know, your water bottle could fit right in there too.
I do sometimes if I don't want to carry it.
Yeah. Nice.
Yep.
That's awesome. Perfect. So, all right. Well, thank you for sharing with what you have in your bag and your purse.
Yes,
So,
anytime.
Hope you all enjoyed this conversation, and be sure to like it and share it. If you want to see more of Dallas, let us know in the comments.
Yeah.
And what kind of conversations you would like to hear from us and everything. And we will do that in the future. So be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.